Introducing Firstline, the world's largest and most advanced fabricator of membrane pressure vessels for reverse osmosis systems. Founded in Harbin, China in 2012, the FIRST team has been innovating advancements in the design and production of membrane pressure vessels to meet the world's demand for safe, high-quality products. Our focus is to provide innovative designs using the latest precision equipment for the global membrane industry. Our state-of-the-art 20,000 square meters advanced fabrication facility is the world's largest single production factory for reverse osmosis (FRP) pressure vessels. This facility incorporates the latest in most advanced technologies used in reverse osmosis vessel manufacturing today. This includes advanced raw material handling and delivery equipment, automated resin dispensing and mixing, advanced multi-axis CNC filament, winding equipment, precision automated CNC machining centers for unmatched side port accuracy. Next generation hydrostatic static testing technology, and automated painting and intelligent packaging systems. This focus on the most advanced fabrication technology combined with full process automation provides a next-generation leap in fabrication efficiency to ensure the highest quality products available today, regardless of your project needs. Our production capacity of 600 8-inch pressure vessels a day provides you with drastically reduced lead times, ensuring our customers fast and reliable service without sacrificing quality. Firstline is an authorized fabricator meeting the most stringent product standards used today, including ASME Section 10, NSF, CE, SGS, and ISO. Our organization, powered by SAP ERP systems and our custom-developed intelligent tracking system, allows us to have end-to-end digital control of our entire facility, from raw material procurement, vessel production, and delivery, ensuring every step is documented, efficient, controllable, and traceable. Firstline pressure vessels are widely used across many industry segments. This includes seawater desalinization, ultra-pure water production, food and beverage processing, recycled water purification, and industrial wastewater discharge. As a holder of over 50 technical patents, Firstline now defines excellence in the FRP membrane pressure vessel field. Collaborating with world-leading specialists, our research and development team believes that constant innovation is the key to industry leadership. Through advanced laboratory testing, including DSC analysis, fiber tension simulation, composite fatigue testing, and destructive hydrostatic testing, we're able to understand and enhance the property of our products, ensuring that we supply product excellence to our customers. Our professional sales team, located around the world, is available around the clock to offer personalized support and seamless communication with our customers. With China as our manufacturing base, Firstline operates across 60 international markets, establishing a global network from west to east in order to meet market demands. To date, Firstline has delivered over 1 million pressure vessels worldwide, with tens of thousands of water treatment projects currently in operation. We welcome you to join our family of satisfied customers. Firstline, first in quality.